Greetings from REI 2025. My name is Michael Schmela. I'm the Managing Director of TaiyangNews, and I'm very happy to have with me Avinash Hiranandani, who is the VCMD of RenewSys, one very interesting player in the Indian solar segment, because they are not only a module player like many others, but they also cover the material side. Avinash, tell me a little bit about your background and the status and what you're planning.
So RenewSys has been in the solar sector for the past 12 years. We started with making encapsulants. In those days it was ethyl vinyl acetate, EVA, and then we moved on from there to make EVA, EPE, POE. We are also ready with the next gen encapsulants, which are TPO. So we are ready for any module solar panel that comes into India, and we are the largest manufacturers of encapsulants and backsheet in India. We also make solar panels. We have a capacity of 5.5 gigawatt in New Bombay and Hyderabad, and our encapsulants are made in Bangalore, in our Bangalore factory. So this is how we are growing. Our new cell line making TOPCon cells has already started, and that is in Hyderabad. And we are also going to grow our cell business from there on to reach up to 5.5 gigawatt of cells and beyond. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, that sounds very interesting. So if we look at the competition, and there's quite some here in India, how do you see this vertical integration and that horizontal integration that you're having as a competitive advantage to the others?
So what happens if you are into the business of manufacturing components, and encapsulants being a very, very critical component in a solar panel, it gives you a lot of insights into making the solar module itself. Many times people come to us and say you are assembling a module. So when you make the components like cell and encapsulant, which is almost the whole module itself, so the quality that you work on, the reliability angles that you're looking at, it gives us a very big advantage of being one of the leaders in the Indian market in solar panels.